Well, I don't know about that, Julian. You gonna clean up all those toys?
No.
Bless you.
No, this one. What's this one? What's
To Vicky from Yaya.
It's for Meter.
That's for me?
No, it's for Meter.
What? There's a toy for me in there?
Meter.
Okay, let's see. This is Mommy.
No.
You get yourself a toy.
Mine.
You're gonna open up my present.
Yeah.
That's from Yaya to me.
No.
Did she get me shoes?
No.
Oh, she got me my own mirror. What is she trying to say? Awesome! Yaya got me a mirror. Yay! This is for me.
Yeah, for you.
Here, you get a present.
Oh,
Awesome. I'll open it.
I open it. I open my bread.
I'll really be picking at my pimples. There you go.
It's for Meter.
To Juju from Yaya.
It's for Meter.
Go ahead. Open it. Oh my gosh. I can see it. I can see it on the other. I can see it on the other. Oh, I don't know about styrofoam. I'm gonna take that outside. Alright. Go ahead, open it. Open up. What is that? Whoa, is that a hamster?
Yeah.
You got a hamster.
Yeah.
That is cool. Zuzu pet. We'll have to see.
Hey, this is for me.
Is that for you?
Yeah, for me.
To Juju from Yaya.
No.
No.
Oh, no.
mean no?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Okay. More Zuzu pets.
Yeah.
Yaya just went crazy with the fake hamster thing. It's okay. At least I don't have to get you a real pet now. What is that? Is that a hamster?
Yeah.
Hamsters. You think it's cute?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna like it.
I like it.
I like it.
I like it.
I like it. Get down to business with these presents.
This one.
To Juju from Mom.
No.
Oh, you're gonna like these. Right? I want to get your facial expression completely. What? It's double wrapped? Who wrapped it twice?
I wrapped it. I wrapped it. This.
Unwrapping gifts. Try in the back. Or the sides.
Inside.
Good job. You got it the sides. This is the moment of truth. Okay, open up the box now. Gotta be patient with kids. Right there.
Look everywhere. Look everywhere. They're dry.
They're dry. They're not wet.
They're not wet. Look this one.
Oh my gosh, is that a McQueen underwear?
They're dry.
Yeah, they're dry.
This one's dry.
That one's dry.
This one's dry, Brennan.
No, Brennan doesn't need your underwear. You can have your own underwear. You like underwear?
Yeah.
Well, there's a whole other box full of them in there.
This one.
What is that one?
This one. This one. This one. This one's dirty. This one. This one mine. This one mine. This one mine.
That one's your favorite?
Yeah.
You want to put it on over your pajamas? Okay. Alright, so you're gonna look super silly. Alright. You gonna open up some more presents?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put your underwear on the side. Oh, you want them on. Alright, you're gonna look super, super cool. Super cool.
Ow.
You're gonna start a new trend. There you go. You like your underwear?
Yeah.
Good. There are a lot more where that came
This
from.
one. That one's dirty.
This isn't dirty. Anyway. Get a whole new present, my son. Get one.
Oh. This one's yours.
Now that one's for you. Have a seat.
This one's mine.
There you go. Smart. You learn once and I don't have to show you again, Julian. I'm really, really proud of that. My son. My son is a quick learner. I'm so evil. I double wrapped it. Mommy is so evil. Here you go. Very nice. Very nice unwrapping skills, Julian. Just rip them all off. Rip it off. There we go. Now just pull the whole box out. What is in this box?
This one.
Open it.
Hey. What?
What's that? What is that?
This one.
What is it? Is it pants?
Yeah.
Pants. And a long sleeve shirt.
We'll get some more.
Okay.
This one's mine. This one's mine.
Mm-hmm.
This one's mine. I found it. I found it.
You found it. That's for you.
Yeah, for me.
Thank you.
Don't know. This one is Can I whip it?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Rip it to shreds. My boy. My boy. There you go. Just pull the whole box out. We only have a couple of presents left.
Ah! Look at ours! This one. Not this one. This one.
Who is that?
They're gonna miss off.
That have McMissile
Yeah.
and McQueen And Mater on it?
Yeah.
What? Do you like that one?
Yeah.
You like underwear?
Yeah.
Look at all those underwear. You are going to have a fun time getting potty trained now. Right,
This
Juju?
one.
Oh, no, we're going to change you out of that one. You still have presents to open?
Yeah.
You have 3 more presents.
Yeah.
Look, you got socks, too.
What socks? Socks. Socks.
Can't be Christmas without buying socks. You know?
Socks.
Underwear.
Socks. 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 Little feet. This one.
You want me to put the socks on your feet?
Yeah. I like it. Socks.
You like socks?
Yeah.
I like socks. I don't really like to wear socks, but they're nice. Alright. 1 sock on the baby. Another sock on the baby. Nice sock. You look so cool. You look so cool. Alright, go on and get another present. So we run out, and then we're gonna go see Yaya at her house. Or wherever she's living.
That one. That one? This one. What's up for me? Car.
Uh-oh, what is that?
Car.
Let's see.
And a car.
Oh, that's from Amy.
There's a car.
Is that from Amy?
This
What?
one.
You got a racer.
Yeah.
Look, a racer car.
This for me.
For me.
You open it.
No, we can open it later. You like it?
Yeah.
Here, I'll open it for you.
What's
My son.
this one?
This one.
This one.
This
Can
one.
I open it?
You want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. You are so cute and cuddly. Look, she even included the batteries. How sweet of her. Oh, we're gonna have to go tell her thank you.
Look the sock. Look the sock.
Look the sock. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, well we have to...
And this one.
Yeah. And his underwear on the outside. Cute. Want to go open some more presents?